Yo, what's good? This is my third box. So let's see what we get. Let's go. I'm not the one pulling it because opening the boosters. I'll let other people open it, like my brother. So let's see. I'll just be here watching. I pull my Drago sack, so I'm satisfied. So let's see. Hopefully we pull a Drago sack or hopefully Spellbook of Judgment. Man, those are the cards I'm looking for, and the dragons. Alright, let's see what we got. This one, XYZ Revenge. Ah, rare. Okay, second booster. Let's go. Ooh, Modoche Knights. Alright, the first super. And we got the Harpy's Pet XYZ. I forgot that I was looking for hoot cakes. Them Drago sack and Spellbook. Ooh, okay, we got that Triceratop dude that I cannot pronounce. Yeah, I'm looking for 2 more hoot cakes. Let's see, to finish up my set. Oh my goodness! Dang, you must be kidding me! My second Drago sack. I just pooped my pants right now, and I had a heart attack. Just died, went back to heaven again, and come back. Oh my goodness! You must be kidding me! Wow! Dang! My second Drago sack. Dang! Wow. Well, 2 Drago sacks, huh? That's something. That is something. Alright. See what we get in this one. That Knight dude. Wow, I'm just glad I got another Drago sack. Alright, let's see. Big Whale and a Noble Knight dude. Noble Knight dude. Alright, let's see what we pull here. Alright, my second Tachyon. Or the first one in this box. Alright. Got some good pulls so far. If the ulti was the channeler, I'll be like smiling like crazy, boy. Let's go. Can't be too greedy with my cards, right? Oh, we got that Fairy Cheer Girl. So we haven't gotten any ultras yet. Or yeah, no ultras yet. And no dragons yet, neither. We got a Rhino. Alright, let's see. See what we got in this one. Hoot cake. We're gonna get the hoot cake up in this. Nope, we just got a buffalo. Alright. So far so good, no lie. So far so good. Wheel of Prophecy and a Scramble. I don't know what Scramble does. But the Ultra. Okay, let's go. Gear. Alright, I got it. Like I said, I'm looking for those Gear, so hit me up if you have any. I don't know if I want to trade none big for them, because yeah, they're not worth that much, so let me know. Wheel of Prophecy. Anyway, I'll be getting a lot of those Wheel of Prophecy. Let's see. Hopefully, get the Spellbook of Judgment still, you know what I mean? Alright, we got this Mecha Phantom Beast Werewolf. Let's see. Supers are good so far. Got the Dragosack, so dang. Got Rhino. It's cool. Now I'm being greedy, man. Hopefully I pull another secret up in this. It's crazy. Or am I gonna pull the Ultra and the Ghost? And another Ghost Fairy Elf. Wow. I think it's that Ghost Fairy Elf like once per box or something. I've been getting that thing. Alright, one more Super and one more Ultra. And hopefully I pull that Ghost. If I pull a Ghost, dang, that'll be nuts. Do a barrel roll. Alright. Let's see, let's see. So far so good. So far so good. Alright, a dragon. The first dragon. Tempest. The wind one. Hopefully I pulled that Secret Star Super. Okay, get this number 69. One more Super, one more Ultra. Let's see what they are. Hopefully I get another Channeler or that sword card. Ooh, okay. Just the Ice Beast Zero Find. Okay, let's go. Big hoot cake. Here we go. I forgot all about my hoot cake again, and I was talking about that earlier. All right, my hoot cake. Okay, let's see. Just that go 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 Gigas. Let's see what we get. Oh, the C105. Yeah. That would be it. This is the last booster. Hopefully they surprise us with Spellbook of Judgment. Nope. Dragon. I guess it's 2 dragons per box, I guess. But yeah, let's get on the recap on this. Alright, so I got a hoot cake, got this Ghost Fairy Elf, got the Gear, got the Tachyon, got the Modochi Knights, C105, got Scramble, got this Noble Knight, and the Dragosack. Alright, what great pulls. Alright, sounds good. If you guys like it, just press the like button, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright, peace.